Welcome to Square Root Central. In this video, we would be using our common base method to multiply 991 by 983. So as per the method, our first step would be to identify the base that these two numbers are close to, which in our case is 1000. Once we identify the base, we would now calculate A, which would be 1000 minus 991, that is base minus multiplicand. So we get A as 9. Similarly, as per the method, B would be base minus multiplier, that is 1000 minus 983. So we get B as 17. Once we have the base A and B, we start forming the left hand side of our answer, which as per our method is base minus A plus B. That is 1000 minus 9 plus 17. So the left hand side of the answer is 974. Similarly, as per the method, the right hand side of our answer would be A multiplied by B, which in our case is 9 multiplied by 17. We have our right hand side as 153. Now since the maximum number of digits in the product is equal to 6, we write 991 multiplied by 983 as 974153. To quickly recap, we identified the base, calculate A and B, use the formula base minus A plus B to get the left hand side and A multiplied by B to get the right hand side of the answer. Now let's see what happens when one of the numbers that we're multiplying is greater than the base. For our second example, we multiply 991 by 1006. Now all of the steps would be the same as in example 1. First, we would be considering the base, that is 1000. Next, we would be calculating A and B in a similar fashion, that is base minus multiplicand will give you A, base minus multiplier will give you B. The only difference that you will notice here is that the multiplier is a number that is greater than the base. So the value of B would be minus 6, that is a negative 6. So for our example, A is 1000 minus 991, that is 9, and B is 1000 minus 1006, which is minus 6. Now the left hand side of the answer is base minus A plus B, that is 1000 minus 9 plus minus 6, which is 1000 minus 9 minus 6, that is 997. Now according to the method, the right hand side of the answer is A multiplied by B, that is 9 multiplied by minus 6. Since the result of multiplying two numbers with opposite signs is always negative, we get the right hand side as minus 54. Now whenever we have a negative value in the right hand side, this is what we do when we write the final answer. We subtract 1 from the left hand side and we do a base minus right hand side to get the right hand side of the answer. So in our case, the final answer would be left hand side minus 1, that is 997 minus 1 is 996, and the base minus the right hand side, that is 1000 minus 54, which is 946. Now for our next example, let us multiply 1002 by 1012. Here both our numbers are greater than the base, which is 1000, so both A and B will be having negative values. As you can see on your screen, the value of A would be 1000 minus 1002, that is minus 2. The value of B similarly would be 1000 minus 1012, that is minus 12. So as you can see from the example, it does not matter if the number that we are multiplying is greater than or less than the base. The only thing that you need to be careful about is the sign of the values of A and B. So if the number that we are multiplying is greater than the base, the sign of the value of A or B would be negative. If it is less than the base, then the sign would be positive. In our case, both the values of A and B are minus 2 and minus 12. Now the left hand side of the answer is base minus A plus B, that is 1000 minus minus 2 plus minus 12, which is 1000 minus minus 14, that is 1000 plus 14. So we have our left hand side as 1014. Similarly, we have the right hand side as a multiplied by b, which is minus 2 multiplied by minus 12. Two same signs multiplied by each other is a positive, so the answer is 24. Now the minimum number of digits in the product is always equal to 1 minus total number of digits in the multiplicand and multiplier, which in our case is 1 minus 8, that is 7. However, combining the left and right hand side, we only have 6 digits. So while writing the final answer, we would be writing it as 1014024. For daily dose of tips and trivia, follow us on social media, link in the description below. And for more examples, tips and tricks, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Square Root Central signing off.